In today's video, I'm going to show you a super fast way to make a really delicious salted chocolate peanut butter bar. I have a half a cup of milk chocolate, a half a cup of creamy peanut butter, and a little bit of fleur de sel, which is a sea salt. Those are the ingredients, so let's get started. For my first step, I'm just going to take all of my milk chocolate and get that right into a bowl. To that, I'm going to add in my peanut butter. Perfect. I'll grab a whisk, and I just want to mix all of this together. Now at the beginning of the video, you saw I had a little glass bowl, and all I've done is lined that with parchment paper. You can use wax paper as well. This is a super fast way to make a really yummy snack. I've got my little bowl all ready to go, and we'll just get all of that in here. At this point, I can just take out my little clips. We don't need them anymore. And then I'm just going to move our chocolate around, and that's good. And then an optional step, I'm just going to grab a little bit of fleur de sel, and I'm just going to get that on there. If you don't have this, you can use regular sea salt or just table salt. And then we're just going to pop this into our fridge to chill it down. So I'm going to leave that in there a few hours. I'll come back later, and then we're going to cut into it. So this is about an hour later. This is nicely firmed up. I'm just going to grab the edges of my parchment and just give it a little tug, and there we have it. I'll show you how nice this is. Grab a knife and look at this. A perfect mixture of peanut butter and chocolate. So good. Wow, that's really good. And that little bit of sea salt on the top. Perfect. So hopefully the camera can pick up how nice this looks. Hope you try this at home. This is a really simple snack, and you can just leave it in the little container, and anytime you want to make a couple of pieces, you can just slice them off, and there you have it. Super simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. That's it, and I'll see you next time. Oh, that's really good. That peanut butter and chocolate together, so good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.